paint a bad picture about me. You know, for make people them know, say, you know, good on my detective office and make police, make everybody walk free and charge me for my friend murder. Much over blood clot, 25 years me I look pan. I'm never bumbo clock, don't tell nothing. Because the world dog. And for all I wanna know, Joe, me go exclusive. And Joe passed away where World Dog the hide from the public. Alright, Joe originated from St. Mary, Islington. You see me? Yes, then Joe moved from there, so go a March Pen Road, St. Catherine. All I people them who know, So all I people them who know March Pen and know say, you see me? Before Joe migrate got foreign. Joe never see him first daughter since him da foreign. You see me? Joe have a girl and a boy where them still live in Jamaica. And first 2 kids them there. You understand? Him get 3 with the wife that are Aisha and 1 na belly now, so that would be 6 in general. You understand? When World Dog was that Jamaica, Joe was the one that babysitting World Dog kids. Understand? When World Dog come back and link up Joe for guard the club, you see me, Joe never have him vehicle because Aisha did have the vehicle. Aisha and Joe do not live together because Aisha did file for a divorce. You understand? Them only legally married, but them was not sleeping together. You see me? Alright. World Dog still insisting on him and Joe got the club. Him see the man them when him have problem with about him money. You understand? You see me? World Dog go pull knife, hand the man them. You understand? Joe hold on pan World Dog and say to World Dog, say, World Dog, that's easy then can't do nothing. World Dog the rage and insist. The man hold on pan World Dog and say World Dog just load the man them no. The man them can't do nothing. World Dog insist. World Dog still up in security tell him so much man out the door. World Dog still insist. So you know Joe they try to get him to calm down. You understand? You see me? And a sinner or butter pull a trigger. I one of the man them that the entourage that stray bullet catch Joe, you know. Because a World Dog go out there they disrespect him and them, no. And how much man, so no know that go. World Dog they hide the truth from the public and now tell the public how the whole story go. If family tired of it, World Dog, family are reach out. People are exclusive me go no. If you don't see nothing yet, believe. Joe passed away from the 15th of October. And we in December and Joe body still do not go under the ground. Whole heap of people never know that. Aisha hold on pan the body despite Joe. Remember, you know, Joe only child for his mother, you know. And Joe mother cannot get Joe body for burying up to now, you know. Because Aisha black the father, Aisha now say make no duplicate for the 2 child in Jamaica come up, you know. A whole heap of thing are going on. But me I tell you the World Dog now and telling you the truth. A World Dog make Joe get unalive. And Joe hold on pan World Dog and say World Dog, the man them can't do nothing just easy. You understand? Joe ready for left, World Dog insist you worry him a look. Exclusive me they go now.
Welcome, Wagwan to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers. Enough love, enough respect. And again, thank you very much for every single day where you subscribe, you like the video, you share the video. Remember, my viewers and subscribers, hear me I say, please me I ask you, if you support the channel, if you support the movement, like, share, comment, and please watch the ads them. Yeah man, and if you're there on your phone, I watch the ads, click on the ads. Or if you're there on your computer, click on the ads. When you click on the ads, you help us a little bit more. When you watch it, it's good. But when you click on it, it's even better. So remember, my viewers and subscribers, help we out by watching the ads them. Yes man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you know what you do? When you go check out Oliver new channel. Yeah man, it name Oliver Up Unfiltered. Yes. Oliver Unfiltered. So you don't know anything you go get over there. Nice channel. Him just start a new channel. Go and go check him out. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, Wanna say, wanna go on with. I have a topic we want to talk about here today. As you see over there, sir. Yes, man. Yes, we want to talk about that youth there. World Dawg. And the reason why I want to talk about World Dawg today is World Dawg a cry. Say nobody know what problem he mean. Nobody know him a go through. Him a look pan 25 to life. Now my viewers and subscribers, this is how I really want to say to you and him, World Dawg, and the others out there. The internet, the web, it's a very nice thing. Yeah, man, it's nice, juicy, beautiful. You can make money, you can lose money, you can lose your life, you can gain more life. But also, the word from your mouth. Yeah. The word from your mouth is a problem. That is a problem. Yes, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, the word from your mouth. Now, my viewers and subscribers, me is not a, and me go be honest, me is not a fan of a lot of them TikTokers. Yeah, man, me go be honest with them, me not beat round bush. Me not beat round bush. Me is not a fan. And the reason why me is not a fan is me born in the 70s. Early 70s. So in other words, me a old school. Certain thing, me not do. The griminess of it, me not get it. If you come out in the public and I talk about you go analyze people and what you go do with people and people if you go do it with them mother. No. Me not grew up like that. Yeah, man, me not grew up like that. So, not because we live in the new era, me go follow it. No, me not follow that. Me never in my life tell a man to go S in mother. No. Me never do that yet. In my life, me never do that yet. Because guess what happened? Me learn from a little bit, say that is a no. You can't say that. In a Jamaica, no, you don't use that word to nobody. In a Jamaica as no joke or as no fun. No, it's a fun. Let me tell you this. Me have a TikTok channel. Me do food and and me do 6,000. Me can't make $1. Yeah, me can't make $1. Me can't get nothing. Guess why? Me not tell nobody go up under nobody or nobody fit. Me not make no money. Because nobody name my like my channel if me reach 10,000. Because me is not the kind of person where I go give them what them want. As a matter of fact, checking at the DM, woman want me fly go all about na heaven. To what they want to do with me, and me not join them things. Now, back to the World Dawg thing, seriously. Me watch some of the video them where World Dawg I talk about what am I gonna do with people, from what am I gonna do with them when they catch them. Him I go jump on plane, fly come to New York and analyze people. No, my brother. Me don't really like use that word there, As a matter, let me take it back. Come here, brother. No, brethren. You see the word from your mouth, it put you in the problem where you're in right now. Yeah, man. I put you in the problem where you're in right now. And guess what happened? It have to take you out of the problem where you're in right now. You have to tell the authority who do the shooting. You know what I say? 25 to life. Because I didn't know it's a case that come out of it, you know. Let me say this. Most things me not talk upon. And the reason why me not talk upon them, if me not get something concrete, me not talk upon it. If you notice, me talk upon the Naih thing, but you know me not say nothing more upon the Naih thing. Too much this, too much that, and me no want to go take nothing from when a body say. And go say it, and then all of a sudden somebody lose their life and you hear say, me, did I say something about it? Me not go feel comfortable doing that. I mean, I go do it just for get no clicks and a like and a money. No. Me not care when nobody want to tell me, say. Me nah do it. Because I know some me live, I know some me grew up, and me no want my channel for base off of that. Me no want my channel be the channel where help analyze a person when they even know nothing about the situation, because I broadcast something on my channel towards that same individual where I have no idea because I want clicks. No, me not do that. I want to sleep on my bed, good at night time. Anyway, back to this guy. Me not left off of him. So, my viewers and subscriber, when me listen to the case, me listen to one word. And the one word that me listen to is they are investigating. Yes, that's the only thing me listen to. This is America, where investigation goes different. The rules, the law, the regulation is different. Me not care which state you're in. Worse, you're in Florida. Florida law is different from everywhere else. Florida law is more dangerous than anywhere else. You ever hear about the thing when say you can't catch quack or you're catching shot? And that happened to him. And that did go happen to him. But guess what happened? You also hear them say, Bona informer. Now if him want to stay upon the straight stick, him have to go be an informer. Yes, man. Him have to go inform. You see this interview? You see this interview what him do? Wrong. Yeah, man, this interview what him do? Wrong. Cause he make the girl, the fix girl, get him to say him know who shoot him, who do the shooting, who unalive Joe. Yeah, man, the fix get him to say him know who unalive Joe. And once you say that, the investigators is already know that. Them already know what him know. The investigators gonna want to know from you who do the shooting, who pull the trigger. You go have to tell them. Them says, snitch get stitches? You go have to tell them and lock up in your house or ask for protection. But you go have to tell them, or if you not tell them, you go in at the big house. And that's because of your mouth. That's all because of your mouth. Nobody else's mouth. Everything what you say, it come out of your own mouth, my brother. My brethren. Yeah, man, it come out of your mouth. Me now go sugarcoat this thing and act like World Dawg is the best guy. I mean, I go act like World Dawg is the bad guy. Because guess what? Me no know him. The little when me see on social media, that's all I know about him. But the little when me see on social media, that tells a lot about him. Now, all the way come from Jamaica. We born poor or we born with money. And if you're born poor and you work yourself up to reach a stage where you have money, why the money add to the badness? Me grew up nicely. Me not grew up rich. Me not grew up poor. Me grew up in a middle. My old man go up on ship. And we end up have some dollars. But guess what happened? The dollars we have is not for me. It's for my old man it. But guess what happened? Then me figure out and find out to myself, say, what? If you work hard, you can make some money. So me work hard and make some money. Start a business. But why me never go up on social media and act like this? Or why me never get into the badness? Why me never get into the GUN? Why? Why me never get into that? No, man, me not get into that because me know say it's wrong. And me don't want nobody come tell me, say. Him never know say what him a do wrong. Him know say wrong. But him believe say him untouchable. Me no understand why them guys here are going like round them body of metal. Listen to me again. We go come off of him.
Oh, that's the 2025. A greatness, man. Me reach up. Yeah, man. Feel the richness. Feel the richness spending. Right now, me there, so no, I know no money or nothing. Just go enjoy a little bit of broke days that me have left. You hear that? Because 2025, bomb that I hear coming. And you say you what?
My viewers and subscriber, me just
greatness, man. Me reach up.
what I want you to do, I want you to take a good look on this guy. Yeah, man, take a good look on him. That is Naih gang. Yeah, man, Naih gang. Me no know nothing about Naih. Away from when me sip on TikTok, see? It looked to me as Naih, he's a good youth. It looked to me. But hear me out, you know. Naih love have a little daughter and him love him daughter, see? And when me watch, cause me da watch the live, you know. Yeah, man, me da watch the live. When them analyze him, me da watch the live. But you hear me now. Naih always dep on live and according to how the TikTok thing work, you go back and forth, you tell man all kind of SM, you know. But if you also notice, Naih we use some words to some of the people that we might depend live with. Then we use back some word to him. As far as to what them say, Naih can't kill, Naih can't do nothing to nobody. But nobody don't know that. Because words are fly. So other people are tell him them are go analyze him. You have people tell Naih say them are go analyze him before Christmas. What happened to Naih before Christmas? Them analyze him. Then after that now, the guys who tell him, say them are go analyze him before Christmas or in a December, start to cry. Them start to cry. Why them a cry? Eh? Why them a cry? Because the word when them use out of them mouth really happen. Somebody want to analyze Naih and hear them a send the threat and say, oh yeah, this is the right time to do the dirt. And then, so them can get the blame, which exactly what happened. Some of you as a subscriber, when me I say to Uno out there, be careful of the word Uno use out of Uno mouth. Because the words Uno use from Uno mouth, rest in peace, youth, Naih. Because also, I'm going to say something about Naih too. I never know say the brother so good at music. The brother that gonna become a star. Big star. And whosoever take him out, never want him to become a big star. Yes, man, whosoever take him out, never want him to reach that far in a life. And that will show you the bad mind, the covetous, the wickedness of the human race. Real Naih music. He might have some good tune, some good song. He might have a song where me even did sing it the other day. And them take him out. All because of what? I have no idea. But the words him use and them people him use from them mouth, somebody take advantage of that same words from him mouth and from the other people him mouth. And that's how Naih become unalive. Nobody know if it did go happen the day before or the day after. Nobody know. But at the end of the day, that go on. My viewers and subscribers, when we want to say to each of you, even over the TikTok there, if you know listen, it not have to reach where it reach, brother. Me see people all around the world I send message to Jamaicans. I tell we Jamaicans, say we, them look up to we. And now, them are turning into a wrong direction and them now want to follow we go down that direction. So to all of the viewers and subscribers out there, stay good, stand guard, be careful of the words that you use out of your mouth. Be careful of them words. Take it from me, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Be careful of what you say out of your mouth. Because that same word I go come back and haunt you like a thorn in the night. You can't say, me not telling you that, you know. Be careful of what you say out of your mouth. I'm out. Blesseds.